Hey guys, installing the PowerMax today. So what I first need to determine is what power needs to be cut in order to be safe doing this job. Number two, how to remove the previous converter and where the cords go to. And then number three, how to wire these cords in to make sure that the circuits are complete. And then number four, test it. And number five, put the housing back together if it has to be adapted in any way, and then just make sure everything's running well. So here we go. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to dig into this Magnatech Power Plus and expose the guts of it. This here is what we're going to be changing out today. So this unit here and here. And so I have to start determining how we're going to pull this thing out. I'm more than likely going to actually take off these 4 screws, and that will allow me to pull this unit out. There's the power coming from the battery. So we have to see that there's my coach batteries. And let's see. All the power's off. So now we just have coach batteries. Yeah, there's the power coming in from the coach batteries. There's no power from the pedestal right now. Yeah, I'll do the white one first. There we go. Okay, so I have disconnected power at the pedestal, so there's no shore power coming in, and I've also disconnected the batteries, so there's no battery power coming in. So I'm a happy camper, because now I can go to work on this and know that I'm not going to receive any power back to me that I'm not looking forward to. So once I disconnected these 2 wires which go to the board, and once I disconnected these, the blue, the red, and the white wire that came up and into this section to give power to the coach, this thing slides right out. This heavy piece of equipment is the old converter. So now I can go ahead and start installing the new one. I'm just determining a few different things here. I'm looking at my YouTube install from a different guy, and I want to make sure that the blue is connected correctly. It used to go to down to the converter, but now it's going to go just to the board, and then I have to wire this cable into this and here. So I'm about 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes away from having this fully installed. So now it's just a matter of getting down there, taking the time, putting everything together, making it all tight, and then powering it up. Okay, so the wires there are connected back to the breaker. The white wire is connected to that bus, and the ground is connected to that bus. And the the white and the red are now connected to the backs of each of those, ready to have the PowerMax put into place. And then these 2 leads going back into there and power everything up. So this has been now installed for about 3 days. It is working just exactly like it should. Nice green light on this guy here. It doesn't make any noise at all. All the wiring is on, fits in there really nicely. I put 2 screws in here to anchor it in place. I drilled 2 holes here to keep that plate in place. All done, all looking great. and you can do this too. If you have any questions regarding your own install, and if you need some help, give me an email. You can find that information down below or off of our website, livinglightrv.com, and let me know how your install goes. My name's Kent, and I'm Living Light RV.